I'm Serene. I'm a full-time after-sales service in marine industry. When in 2019, I bought a TM5, and at that time, I'm actually not familiar with the Thermomix, and I have my relative to guide me to use the Thermomix 5. Compared to TM5, TM6 bring me more easy and convenient way to prepare dishes to my families and friends, and also do some baking because it has a Cookidoo function that which I can search most of the dishes through the website, and also it has a high temp function which I can do some wok hei dishes from there, which my family love the most. I'm going to prepare mamak mee goreng and teh tarik, which is a local Asian cuisine. When I was young, we always plan to go to coffee shop to have mee goreng and teh tarik. That's why today I'm going to prepare these two dishes, and I was so surprised that I can search these both two dishes from the Cookidoo. From cooking itself, I think it's a way to show love to my families and friends, because I really love that if someone appreciate your hard work or the way you show love to them, it will feel like my effort is paid off.